three particles of masses 1 kg, 3 by 2 kg and 2 kg are located at the vertices of an equilateral triangle of side A. The x-axis, y-coordinate of the center of mass are. Three options they have given. So those three options are 5a divided by 9, 2a divided by 3 root of 3, and second option they have given 2a divided by 3 root of 3, 5a divided by 9. Third option they have given 5a divided by 9, 2a divided by root 3, and fourth one they have given 2a divided by root 3, 5a divided by 9. So among four options, which is the right option we have to choose. So in order to calculate the center of mass, so we know the formula. So how to calculate, in order to find the center of mass, so we are having a formula. So let us see how to calculate that one. So fifth one we are solving. So first let us draw the diagram of equilateral triangle, because in the question itself they have mentioned. So let us mark this one as A point, and this is B point, and this is C point. And in the question itself they have given masses, they have given, so 1 kg, and second one they have given at C point 2 kg, and here they have given 3 by 2 kg. Masses value in the question itself they have given. And each, the triangle, they are having 3 sides. You people already know. Each side is having A, or that is given by A. And the vertices at A point are 0, 0, and at B point, the points are A, 0, and at C point, the points are A divided by 2, root 3, A divided by 2. So this is y-axis and this is x-axis. So in the axis, equilateral triangle is drawn and it consists of 3 sides, and each side they are having, or it is marked by A itself, and they have given 3 masses, that is 1 kg, 2 kg and 3 by 2 kg. And by using the coordinates at every point, at A point, the coordinate points are 0, 0, and at B point, the coordinate points are A, 0, at C point, the coordinate points are A by 2, root 3A by 2. So by using these, so let us see how to calculate the center of mass. So let the masses 1 kg, 3 by 2 kg and 2 kg are located at the point A, B, C. That is already shown in the diagram. The coordinate points A, B, C are 0, 0, A, 0, and A by 2, root 3A by 2. So that is already I mentioned in the diagram itself. The coordinate of center of mass, coordinate of CM under center of mass R, that is calculated by XCM, the center of mass at the X point we are going to calculate, that is given by the formula M1 X1 plus of M2 X2 plus of M3 X3 divided by number of masses 3 are there, M1 plus of M2 plus of M3. So this formula we already learned. So this is used to find the center of mass of the given particle. So here substitute m1 value is 1 and x1 value is 0. From the diagram, we can possible to analyze the values. And m2 value is 3/2 and x2 value is a, plus of m3 value is 2 and x3 value is a/2, divided by number of masses are m1 value is 1, m2 value is 3/2 and m3 value is 2. Understood this one? By substituting all these values, so 1 into 0 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಾ 0 ಆಗುತ್ತಾ, plus of ಇದು 3/2 a ಆಗುತ್ತಾ, plus of 2a/2 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 2 get cancel ಆಗಿ 1a ಉಳಿತೈತಿ. ಇದನ್ನ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ 2 plus of 1 3 ಆಗುತ್ತಾ, 3 plus of 3/2 ಅಂತ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ LCM ತೆಗೆಯೋದು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತೈತಿ. ಇದನ್ನ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ಒನ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 5a divided by 9 ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತಾ. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ 3 plus 3/2 LCM ತೆಗೆಯೋದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. So by using LCM method, so try to simplify this one. So we are possible to get center of mass at x coordinate. We are possible to get that one as 5a divided by 9 ಅಂತ ಬಂತು. ಅದೇ ತರ let us solve at y coordinate ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ ಅದನ್ನ YCM ಅಂತ represent ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. YCM is equal to formula same but coordinate ಅಷ್ಟೇ change ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So we are using the formula m1 y1 plus of m2 y2 plus of m3 y3 divided by m1 plus of m2 plus of m3. So ಇದನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್. m1 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನೈತಿ? ಸೊ m1 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಈಸ್ 1 into y1 value is 0 plus of m2 value is 3/2 into y2 value is 0 plus of m3 value is 2 and y3 value is √3 a/2. So you ಎಲ್ಲ values ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಂದು? So just observe the equilateral triangle that we drawn initially. So divided by m1 value is 1 plus of m2 value is 3/2 plus of m3 value is 2. So ಇದನ್ನ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಸೇಮ್ 1 into 0 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ 0 ಆಗುತ್ತಾ, 3/2 into 0 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು 0 ಆಗುತ್ತಾ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಫ್ 2 √3 a divided by 2 ಅಂತಿದೆ, ಹೋಲ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಇದು ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2 plus of 1 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 3 ಆಗುತ್ತಾ, 3 plus of 3/2 ನ LCM ತೆಗಿಬೇಕು. LCM ಮೆಥಡ್ ನೀವು ಲೋವರ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರಾ. ಸೊ ಬೈ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ LCM ಮೆಥಡ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್, ಸೊ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಆಸ್ 2a divided by 3√3. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇದನ್ನ LCM ತಕ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ, ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದನ್ನ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಸೊ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ YCM ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಸ್ at y ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ ನಮಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತಾ 2a divided by 3√3 ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತಾ. ಸೊ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ನಮಗೆ x ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ ಏನಂತ ಬಂತು, x coordinate we got that one as 5a. x cm s value bantu, that is 5a divided by 9 ant bantu. y cm s bantu namaga 2a divided by 3√3 anta bantu. So ivi eradu values nodidaga Right option ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರುತ್ತ? For fifth one, eighth one is the right answer. For fifth one, the right answer is eighth one. That is X CM, idu Y CM. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? So if you want to note down, you can note down these questions, and after the end of the class, try to practice these similar problems. So next we shall move to sixth one. So let us solve next one, that is sixth one. So the X and Y coordinate of the center of mass of uniform L-shaped lamina of mass 3 kg is. They have given first option, lamina shape of the diagram they have given here. This is the shape of the lamina here, and 4 options they have given. So those are, first option they have given 5 by 6 meter, 5 by 6 itself, and second option they have given 1 meter, 1 meter, and third option they have given 6 by 5 meter, 6 by 5 meter, and fourth one they have given 2 meter, 2 meter. And ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವಂತ ಶೇಪ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ lamina shape of the object they have given. So here among 4 options, by seeing itself it is not possible to choose the right answer. First we have to, let us see how to solve this one. So we are solving sixth one. So here this is the diagram they have given. So let us consider at the origin point O, O, and at this point 0, 2. So this is y-axis and this is x-axis, and each side they have given, that is 2 meter, this one. And this is the A point, coordinates are 2, 0. And this is the D point, at this point coordinates are 1, 1. And this is the B point, at this point coordinates are 2, 1. And this is 1 meter. So how it is, I will tell that one. And this is the E point. At this point the coordinates are 1, 2. And this is the center of mass C1. And this is center of mass C3. This is the center point that is named as C2. So here we choose the X and Y axis. So this is X axis and this is Y axis. That is already shown in the diagram. The coordinates of the vertices of, first they have given L-shaped lamina. So that given L-shaped lamina is divided into 3 squares. So if you see individual square, it looks like a square. And each off side they are having 1 meter, because from here to here it is 2 meter they have given. If you divide it into 2 from here, this origin point to A point, it is 2 meter. If you divide into equal parts, So each part they are having 1 meter. So like that we divided into 3 squares. Each of side 1 meter and mass 1 kg. Therefore, lamina is uniform. By symmetry, in the diagram, C1, C2 and C3 are the center point of the square. Are their geometric centers and they have coordinates that is given as C1 coordinates are half comma half, and for C2 point, C2 and the center point at C2, the coordinate points are 3/2, comma 1/2, and C3 is the third center of points. The coordinate points are 1/2 and 3/2 respectively. So by using these coordinate points, so next we are going to solve the center of mass or L-shaped lamina. Center of mass is calculated by using formula at the point X. Cm and the center of mass at the point X coordinate, that is given by m1 into x1 plus of m2 into x2 plus of m3 into x3 divided by number of masses m1 plus of m2 plus of m3, and substitute the values. M1 value is 1, x1 value is half, plus of m2 value is 1 and x2 value is 3/2, m3 value is 1, x3 value is half, divided by m1 value is 1, m2 value is 1 and m3 value is 1. So after simplification by taking the LCM of in numerator, so XCM point we are getting 5/6 meter. So same thing we are going to calculate center of mass at y-axis. So here I am showing here. So YCM is equal to, formula we are using m1 y1 plus m2 y2 plus of m3 y3 divided by number of masses is m1 plus of m2 plus of m3 itself. So using this 1 into half plus of 1 into half, we are substituting the value plus of 1 into 3/2 whole divided by masses are 1 plus of 1. So after simplifying this one, so we are possible to get that one as 5/6 meter. So XCM we got 5/6, and same thing at the YCM also we got 5/6. So when we observe this answer, so the right option is for sixth one. The right option, which one? The right option is eighth one is the right answer. Got this one? So if you want to take the screenshot of these questions, you can take the screenshot. So for sixth one, the right answer is eighth one. So next, shall we move to seventh one? So what they ask, seventh question. the center of mass of a system of two particles of masses m1 and m2 is at a distance of d1 from m1 and at a distance of d2 from m2, such that four options they have given. First one, d1 by d2 is equal to m2 by m1. Second option, d1 by d2 is equal to m1 by m2. Third option, they have given d1 by d2 is equal to m1 by m1 plus of m2. Fourth one, they have given d1 by d2 is equal to m2 divided by m1 plus of m2. So we are solving seventh one. So among four options, which is the right one, we have to solve. So here, this is the diagram for not to solve the seventh one. So let us consider two masses are located at certain point, that is m1 and m2. And this is the center point of m1 and m2. Center of mass is, that is the point where whole mass of the body is concentrated. And m1 is located at the distance of d1 and m2 is located from the center point. m2 is located at the distance of d2 and total distance is measured as d here. So m1 and from the diagram, m1 and m2 are the masses. Cm on the center of mass of two particles, that is the point where whole mass of the body is supposed to be concentrated. And m1 mass is located at the distance of d1 from center of mass point, and m2 is located at the distance of d2 from the center point. And this d is symbol used to represent total distance between the masses m1 and m2. So from the diagram, the distance of center of masses, so symbolically it is represented as Cm. From masses m1 and m2, that is given by d1. So if you want to calculate d1, so that is given by m2 into d divided by m1 plus of m2. Same thing, d2 is given by m1 into d divided by m1 plus of m2. So if you divide d1 by d2, so d1 by d2 is equal to, so d1 value is m2 into d divided by m1 plus of m2 whole divided by d2 value is m1 into d divided by m1 plus of m2. If you make the cross multiplication, these two are same, they get cancelled with each other. Therefore, remaining we are possible to get that one as d1 by d2 is equal to m2 divided by m1. So by observing this one, if you observe all the four options, the right answer is, that is eighth one is the right answer. That is d1 by d2 is equal to m2 divided by m1. Understood this one? So here, whatever the problems we discussed, based on that, if you are having any doubt, just put in the chat box. Otherwise, you take the screenshot of these questions and remaining problems we shall solve in the next session. So if you are having any doubt, just put in the chat box. Otherwise, we'll end up the session. Any doubt? So if you are having any doubt, just put in the chat box. If you are having no doubt, means we'll end up the session. Thank you.